This is for a Singer 1927 sewing machine, class 99, model catalog number BU7A. And this is a working model. You can see the light is working, and the band on here has been replaced with a rubber belt. Has been replaced. The wood on here has been re-glued because it was starting to come apart here, and it was starting to come apart on the other end down here. That's been re-glued. The inside also has been re-glued, the blocks on the inside. It's been re-oiled on the bottom of the machine, cleaned out, as well as the top has been oiled. And a new plate has been put in place here. This is the new plate. What else? Well, to see it work, this is the bar. Everything works on this machine, and it's ready to go. Okay, take care and hope you buy it.